Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store silver bars. Proper storage is essential to protect your investment and maintain its value over time. We'll cover the best practices to keep your silver in pristine condition, ensuring it remains a valuable asset for years to come. Understanding the right methods can prevent damage and preserve the integrity of your precious metal. Let's dive into the easy methods for secure silver storage. Creating the right environment is key. Silver thrives in stable conditions, so aim for a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat sources. High humidity is a major enemy, leading to tarnish and potential damage. Consider using silica gel packets within your storage containers to absorb moisture. Airtight containers are also crucial to minimize exposure to air, which can cause oxidation and dull your silver's shine. Beyond environmental control, physical protection is vital. Choose a secure and discreet location for your silver, whether it's a robust home safe or a bank safety deposit box. These options offer protection against theft and unauthorized access. When handling your silver, always wear clean cotton gloves. This prevents oils and acids from your skin from transferring to the metal, which can cause permanent marks or tarnish over time. For long-term preservation, periodic inspection of your silver is a good practice to catch any issues early. Also, consider diversifying your storage locations. Spreading your investment across multiple secure spots adds an extra layer of protection. Remember, consistent care ensures your silver retains its value and beauty. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.